How's it going, everybody? Big Jimmy here. I was told after explaining to the missus, I really think I'm going to have a nice little bonfire tonight. She said, there's no way you're having a bonfire in a snowstorm. So long story short, got the solo stove going here. You can see the old snow just a-flying. And it's set up pretty good. I think I do anyway. Just sitting here between the house and the garage as usual. I've got one of them old cozy farmhouses that has been converted over. Well, not converted, but just so it's less of a piece of crap. I like old farmhouse style houses. Little chair over there. And I've got my, I don't know if you can see me or not, but yeah, a little bit there, I guess. Got my hood up and stuff. Snowsuit on. All set to have fun. I'll spare you my face. Yeah, I'll sit here and listen to Stevie Ray Vaughan and some old classic rock and classic country. Should be really fun. Of course, get progressively inebriated over the evening and walk in 4 or 5 times, get in trouble for having snow tracked in the house, and you know, good times, man stuff. So I'll just sit here in my little, yeah, feels so good. It's nice and warm. Sit here in my snowsuit and have a great old night. The old backyard there. That's exciting. I know everyone likes looking at my backyard. That's not a euphemism either. That's actually my backyard. Looks like we need another stick. We're back in the garage. Gotta grab my drink anyway. Alrighty, that there for a second, next to my garbage. Big freezer, grab a drink. Alright. Got a double garage. For some reason I just use it as a storage facility. Right on it back here. Woo! Almost slipped onto my keister there. Throw the old stick number 2 in there. Everybody loves it. Getting a little smoke. You know, you don't have to get a solo stove brand, solo stove type of stove, but I love it. I've had this thing for 5 or 6 years. I use it all summer long. You guys have seen me plenty of times. And you can't beat it, so. Hard to do everything with one hand. That's what he said. So tonight's beverage of choice, I've got vodka and bubblies over ice. I'm gonna go and, if you dare fall, I'm gonna go and grab myself a few pieces of cedar. Cedar really gives her a good sparking. Takes right off with a good piece of cedar. Shouldn't have thrown those big sticks in there yet until I hit a good base, but that's why I am. Doing things I shouldn't be doing. Like having fires outside in a snowstorm. Like this was like nothing today. basement entrance, in case you're curious. Oh yeah, here we go. Here we go. You know what the weird thing is? I'm sitting out here with the solo stove or whatever in the backyard, the Snowstorm. And right up there on the other end of my deck, you see right there, right straight ahead, that is a $600 marble or granite topped fire pit. But I like the solo stove, which was expensive enough in its day, but like I say, I've had it for years and I love it. Had a big day today, went to the gym, did straight cardio today. Yeah, what else happened? Not too much. Took the dog around the block, that was pretty fun. And that's about all the fun anyway. Woo! That is... Holy... Ugh. Jeez. Hard to look at. There, that's better. That is going to give me a nice base. It's all about the base. About the base. One of my daughters singing that song. I have no idea who sings it or what it is, but apparently it's all about the bass. Give me a George Strait any day. I like George Strait girls. I like country girls that can't get enough of George Strait. Guys like in his 70s, and God, I wish I was him. I wish I was rich and good looking like George Strait. He gets the ladies going. I don't blame them. Gets me going. I'm a guy. Whew. What'd you guys do today? Tell me in the comments. Give you a shout out if you do. Wow, this is fun. I'm not a bit cold tonight. Now, the one last week, I was cold. Like cheesed off cold, too. I ran back inside, and I kind of lost... Holy jumpers. Woo, that's warm. Ran back inside, and the small of my back, because I just had my jacket and some, wind pants on. Anyone that knows me or has heard of me or been anywhere around me knows that I don't wear jeans. I don't like Uncle Tom and the twins getting all, tangled up. So I just don't do that. I'm all about the wind pants. Plus I think it looks cool. Chicks dig it. Well, chicks outside this house dig it. That's good stuff. All right, that's good stuff. Well, I hope you had an excellent day. If you feel like subscribing to this stupid channel, go ahead. You never know what you're going to see. I just decide to film this or film that and let it go, but upload it. I don't do any editing because I'm too lazy and it's not fun. I used to edit on my other couple of channels there, but I just don't do it anymore. It's not fun. And I usually like to cut it at about 10 minutes per vid, so unless I'm driving. So listen, everybody, thanks very much for stopping in for this little bonfire that I'm not allowed to have. And I will be sure to tell everyone else in my house that you said hi and that I took a video. And I'm going to start putting on my music now. So thanks for stopping in, and I'll put my music on and say camping out here like an idiot in the middle of a snowstorm, having a bonfire in his backyard. Like, subscribe, share if you feel like it, and we'll talk to you next time. Uh-oh. I'll let the fire take you out.